Ninja Air Fryer is equipped with 4 cooking functions to get you started. It is recommended that you preheat your air fryer for 3 minutes before placing ingredients in the basket when using all functions except Dehydrate. When you're setting cook times on your Ninja Air Fryer, the time will be shown on the display screen in hours and minutes. The air fry function allows you to crisp without the guilt of deep-fried food. To activate, hit the air fry button and use the temp and time up and down arrows to change the temperature and time. Don't forget to shake your ingredients often throughout cooking. Shaking rotates your food for even crisping. You can also sneak a peek during cooking to check on the crispiness of your food. For crispy results, simply extend the cook time. The roast function can be used to bake and roast foods traditionally made in the oven without the crisper plate needed. The reheat function is perfect for reviving your leftovers. The dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from foods to create delicious, homemade snacks. Simply remove the crisper plate and place the first layer of ingredients in the bottom of the basket. Then, reinstall the crisper plate in the basket and place the second layer of ingredients on top of the plate. To increase dehydrating capacity, you can also use the multi-layer rack. Place it on top of the crisper plate so you can add another layer of ingredients.